is a rider from Indonesia.
Highlander, Sibon. Sibon.
Taga-Indo.
Kamulot. Ano yung nagdutsun ng ECU? Fuel tank.
Yeah, Yokido Techno Tuner from Indonesia right here. This one's either Ryan Me or Taufik Maulana. And on the right side, Team Philippines.
Here we go. Indonesia. Lane B.
Carburetor yun eh. Eh ngayon lang siya gumawa ng ano. Si Kirby. Sa KM.
So looking like it's going to be Thailand on the right side and Indonesia on the left side. Let's go.
Mama si ano yan? Si Arm. Si Arm yan. Ay Mayor.
Boss! Sabi!
Boss, boss.
Boss!
Doon lang.
Kaki pa yun naman ako.
Kayo guard eh. Dapat mas marami kayo.
Hambog ng Mindoro. Lane A. Thailand. Thailander. Here we go. Full start. Isang full start para sa Indonesia.
Wala, ilang beses na tinali yun, kinawat na. Tapos tinali mo ulit. Wala, Pilipino talaga yun.
So the Thai rider is the one inside that white outfit, and the Indonesian rider is inside that red outfit. Thailand on the right, well, riding for Hambog ng Mindoro.
Let's go.
Dito kahit na natin.
And on the left side, Yokido Techno Tuner Indonesia. Wow. What a move. That was a...
Boss, boss, boss! Okay.
Ang nakatrangka sa kanan, Yokido Techno Tuner Indonesia. Sa kaliwa, Team Good Boy Ebon.
Yung bottom gusto na layout player 2, yung kanya tumatakbo. Okay, start.
Indonesia on the right side, Thailand on the left side.
Team Good Boy versus Techno Tuner. Here we go. Ready. Nangungulit si Ito pero hindi inabutan. Amazing.
Thailand gets a point over there. Congratulations, Team Good Boy KTM.
40, yung kanina. 40.
M. Mike Works. Open CC chain drive dito sa NGO Philippines. Next, NGO Thailand. Here we go. Ready. Kitang konti si Jaja pero